Hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox I don't know, let's say Babyliss Replica, because I don't really know the brand name. Here it's written Jucai Pro, so I don't know if maybe it's the brand name or not. And with the model number F78, that's what they wrote. So this is it. A reflex. Stay tuned. So here we go. I received this hair trimmer and a gift also. And this is a chameleon blade. See that? And this is the box. So I don't really understand. Okay. And it's written in Chinese and in English. Okay. Okay, got 7,200 RPM. Okay, and nothing else. Got 6 watts also. And charging time 3 hours. Operating time 4 hours. That's all I can say about this. So this is the hair trimmer. Really looks like a Babyliss, as you can see. Got USB Type-C charging, and also the same like Babyliss. This rubber grip, it's good. I have to say, it's really good. And okay, and what's inside? Just a charging cable, oil, little brush, and this screwdriver, something like that, and the manual. It's written all in Chinese. Okay. So first of all, let's take a look. So this is it. See that? And somehow this cutter blade is a little bit different from the original Skeleton FX. So it's good. And somehow it's written got a DLC blade. I don't know. And it's also written a brushless motor, I guess, on the box or something like that. But I guess this is not a brushless motor. Sound check. See that? And one thing, this one, if you want to zero gap it, you need to remove the blade because here is too thick. So you see, no space. You see, there's no space here, so zero gap it. And if you really look, it should go a little bit more to this side, you know, but it's almost straight. So I will compare it with my red skeleton effects. So let's make an RPM test and, without the blade. Okay, see that? So So now, comparing these two together, this one got more metal. This one, the whole is plastic, everything, except maybe this one inside. I don't know. So, what I don't really like, you see, it's, I don't know, it should go more like this, you know, but it's more like this. Just take a look. See this? See what I'm talking about? So it should go more like this. And to zero gap this trimmer, you need to remove this blade because you can't really zero gap it like this. You see it? You can't zero gap it like this. Press also. You see this one, you can zero gap it. It's like here is too thick. So, but normally it's a really good trimmer. It's really good. And I guess it's a brushless motor. But this one got more power than this one. This one, you can easily stop it. You can stop it. But this one, you can't. It's got more torque. You can't stop this one. But this one, yes, you can stop it.